Hey everybody, welcome into the Flippin' Hippos YouTube channel. I'm Star. If you're new here or you haven't already, please consider subscribing and helping us feed a hungry hippo. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up while you're watching. Today I am unboxing a 1 pound bag of costume jewelry. I got this off of Etsy from a buyer called Whistlepig, and I will put the link down in the description box for you. If you decide to make a purchase from her, could you just let her know the Hippo Hut sent you? We're trying to see how many people we can get to support this woman's small business. So originally, my friend Dawn, he's been on the channel before, you might know who Dawn is, his bestie, Katie, that he goes thrifting with and actually has known for like 50 years, 100 years, she would buy these jewelry lots from Whistlepig on Etsy, and she always got really great stuff. And the bag actually weighs more than what you pay for usually, and she just gives really good customer service. So Dawn started buying some costume jewelry from her just to branch out and try something new and list something different. And he was really pleased with what he got. So we were all at a listing party, and like 5 of us went and made orders from her, and we all told her, hey, Dawn sent us, and Dawn had told her that Katie had sent him. And so now we're all opening our bags and we're getting real excited. And we're sending people to her, and it's just kind of like this, I don't want to call it a game, but a challenge to see how many people we can send to her and get her some business, because she does have really great items and she does really great customer service, good communication. She ships really fast. In fact, during the listing party, as we were ordering, people were getting notifications that she had already printed a label and got it ready to ship. So she's pretty amazing. I'm going to show you her store real quick, and then we will go through the bag together. I'm pretty excited to go through this and learn something different and just try something new. I am an old dog, but I can learn new tricks. So this was my order for $16 only. I got a pound of costume jewelry, but this actually weighs like 1 pound, 10 ounces. So there's just a ton of stuff in here. But here's what you can order from her. You can get 1 pound, 2 pound, 4 pound, 6 pound, 8, 10, and 15. And these are all the prices here. She does do free shipping, and she ships really fast. And this is advertised as wearable jewelry, mixed lot, grab bag, costume, crafters, resale. But her actual store has some other she's got really great reviews too. Full disclosure, I've kind of peeked into this bag and seen some of my stuff several times. It's been sitting here for probably like a month to 2 months, and I got nosy and I had to peek inside. Plus, when I went to another listing party and everyone else had their bags, what they had ordered, I'm like, well, let me show you some of mine. So I have peeked inside here a little bit. I have not gone through the whole bag. I have not emptied this bag out completely and seen everything. I've just kind of nosed around in there and pulled a couple things out. But this is the Whistlepig Market. She's in Charlotte, North Carolina. This is her reviews here on Etsy. She's got smooth shipping, speedy replies, rave reviews. And she does this costume jewelry, but she also has silver tone, gold tone, junk. That's what she calls it. Junk drawer or whatever. Crafting material, broken pearls, watches. So I will put her link down in the description box, and I've already got a 10% off coupon for my next purchase from her. She's just pretty awesome. But if you do tell her the Hippo Hut sent you, and or Dawn, just tell her Dawn sent you, whoever you want to credit to sending you over. So this is my bag of costume jewelry. It's called wearable costume jewelry, and this is going to be a new thing for me. If you didn't see, and I'll have it pop up at the end of this video so you can go watch that too. I did just recently do an unboxing of comics that I purchased for Keith to list. Just something different for him, a change of pace. He does a lot of electronics and remotes on our other eBay and Amazon stores, and he helps me out with Plush and jeans. But he gets kind of burnt out, and he is a nerd. He loves video games and comics. So we got some comics for him, just something different, and I ordered jewelry just to try something new. I want to branch out this year. I want to get out of my comfort zone in 2024. Y'all might even see me trying some shoes again. If you remember me trying shoes before, that was fun. I'm going to start looking at hard goods and shoes and stuff when I start going thrifting again in the spring. Right now, it's the Arctic outside. It's been snowing, sleeting, raining, and ice nonstop for like 5 days in a row, and it doesn't look like it's going to let up for another week. We're in for the count. It's really cold and it's gross outside. But yeah, I just wanted to try something new, and I want to encourage all of you too. Okay, and sometime in 2024, go on Goodwill Blue Box, go on American Thrift, go into a thrift store, and just get something different or something new, something out of your niche or your wheelhouse, and learn. And don't be afraid to reach out to the community. I have lots of friends in the community on Instagram, Facebook, people I've met in real life at events. I go to the List Perfectly listing parties, and I have a Facebook group where people are really nice and willing to help you, and you can always learn from other people. And I have, with my plans to, branch out and learn new things in 2024, I have pages of notes in my bullet journal I've been taking to learn how to sell fabric, which I'm going to start buying. You guys will see. Gotta wait till the spring though, when I can go outside. And I've taken notes on how to do jewelry. I just want to learn new things and just kind of branch out and try something new once in a while. I still love plush. I still love jeans, and those are always going to be my number one and number two, or tied for the number one spot things to list. But once in a while, it's fun to try something new. I really want to show you guys this. This is so stinking cool. Do you see what that is? Those are little Mickey Mouse heads. Oh my gosh. And the tag actually says Disney, Disney theme park. So this is from the Disney theme park in Florida. It's really tiny on the tag. I don't know if it's really hard for me to see even with my glasses on. Sorry about my fingernails. They gross me out. They gross you out. Sorry. But look at these little Mickey Mouse heads. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Okay, so I've got a necklace here. And so keywords that I have learned from my friends that have been willing to teach me about jewelry are artisan, wearable, costume jewelry, evening, party. And then you can sell, they said if you find broken pieces in your lots, you can sell them as crafting. And actually, I'm learning from Dawn how to make brooches. I might be branching into that like way later into the year. What he did was save up pieces of broken jewelry from his lot for a long time until he had a whole bunch. And he's making brooches. It's really cool. It's like a little craft I can do. If you do use List Perfectly, you do have access to all of the listing parties. And I do host a crafting party every Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern. And anything goes. People bring painting. They bring their bullet journals to color in. They bring puzzles. I do diamond dots. I'm going to be starting some cross stitching. Don does his brooches. We've had people come in and paint. Whatever you want to do. We just craft and spend some time together. That's really weird because I'm not like a jewelry person. I always feel weird when I have jewelry, but this is cute. So we have that bracelet. We have two big red hoop earrings. We have this necklace. So this will definitely be a learning curve for me and something new to try. And don't be afraid to go up their eBay. If you want to try something new and you just want to go, I'm going to go get a $20 bag of jewelry. Look at other people's listings. See what they're doing. See what to do and what not to do based on other people. This is me. This is a necklace, I believe. So it's not a girly girl, but I can figure out jewelry, I think. Another like choker. We've got, oh, this is neat. This is like a pin. So yeah, I paid $16 for this bag, and I'm very excited to see what I can make back from it. I've got like these little hemp bracelets. There's a couple of them. I think I might lock them up and sell them together. I gotta figure some of this stuff out. Like Crazy. Look at this. Okay, it's got earrings hanging on it and everything else. Uno momento. We're stuck on the earrings. Okay. This is cool. Look at that. You know somebody out there wants to wear this to work or a party. I mean, it's not for me, but there are people in the world that do like jewelry. And I'm not one to judge. I'm just here to sell it to them. Got another. I did kind of wear stuff like this in junior high. You guys remember these? We have another. I might like lot stuff like this together. See what I feel like doing. I just feel like this is going to be really fun to sit down and maybe put a movie in or some of my true crime and just photograph this stuff. I was going to wait before I made another order, but seeing that she gave me a 10% coupon off, I might go ahead and order. Like as soon as I finish photographing this batch, I can get another one on the way. This is really cute. This is like a hand-painted ladybug, and it's got little antennas. We've got some earrings here with no backs, and that's just stuff you just disclose. Right? Got like a rawhide handmade bracelet. This is cool. I still, I don't know how to comp this because a lot of this looks very unique. So I am going to ask Dawn, I guess. I'm probably just going to make up my own prices, to be honest. Just kind of like look at what other people are selling costume jewelry for and make a price based on how cool or unique mine is. Look at this dragon. He's neat. That's really cool. We've got, speaking of brooches, this would have been awesome to see before Christmas star. This bag has been sitting here for a while. I had so many plush and stuff I had to get through. Isn't that cute? It's a pin with little snowmen and the blue beads. That's really cute. I have a button. Oh, this is neat. This is Lisa. So somebody out there named Lisa is going to want this, right? I hope. It's neat. It's got little rocks. I got a pair of, oh, these are cute. They're like little macaws, little parrots. You see them through the bag? Look at the parrots. You can't. They're blurry. I don't know how to. Depth perception is not something my forte. You know what? I did pull this out. And I thought, oh, they fell off. And they sure did. I bet that is where these came from. Woo! Throwing stuff. All right. That's the end of the bag. I didn't show you the turtles, did I? Did I show you the turtles? Black turtles. And these earrings here. And these earrings. And I think that's everything out of the bag. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, advice, anything you want to tell me about jewelry, let me know in the comments down below. This is going to be an adventure. I'm very excited to just try something new. And it may turn out that I don't really like it and I don't have to do it forever. But I really want to branch out this year and just try new things. Just, and have a little bit of something different in the store. Yes, we do well with plush. Yes, we do well with jeans. Would we sell more if we had comic books and jewelry in the store? And maybe shoes? It doesn't hurt to try. Here's the thing with trying something new. It doesn't have to be forever. And you only have to try it once before you can definitively say, I'm never doing that again. But you can't say you don't like something or it didn't work or it wouldn't work or it's not going to work if you haven't at least tried it, right? Guys, go be productive. Go make some money. If you're going to purchase from Whistlepig, I'll leave her link down below. I'll link the comic book video for you too. Thanks for watching. Y'all are the best. Bye.